LOL! Oh no! Yeah, I'm faster than this guy is. He is stupid. Stupidly slow! Yo, he's just a little faster than me when I'm walking. That's because you're stupid. Trip over that. What? He jumped over it. Hit the bowling ball! Hit the bowling ball! Hit the boxes! Hit something! Hit it! Run! Whoa. Grab it! Go! Nice, 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 nice. I'm gonna hit you again because you're stupid. Yeet. Got it! Grab the bowling ball! Yo, I'm gonna hit you with a bowling ball! I'm gonna get you this time. What? No! I missed! How do I keep... Oh, wait, this is different. This is different. Hold up. Wait, whoa. Is that the neighbor? That was the neighbor. Is the video glitching again? I can't... Wait, what? Let me through. Oh! What the freak? Is that the neighbor? Hey! Leave me alone. Don't touch my private parts, you freak. Ha, I'm gonna get you this time. Hey neighbor, guess what? Guess what? I'm gonna get you this time. I'm gonna... I got him! You freak! Oh man. There's stuff falling from the sky. Oh freak, he's hitting me. I gotta get the bowling ball on my way around. I'm not stopping. Get the bowling ball. Get it, get it, get it. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going. Oh! Hit him! Come on, come on, come on. Aw, oh, man. Whoa! Wait, why don't you... Yeet. Juked. You are dilly-dar juked. I have an idea. I just gotta make sure that I don't... Yeet. There you are. Juked! Yo, this chase could literally just go on forever because this guy is not getting me. Pick this up. No! Okay. Yes! I got the garbage can. I'm gonna throw it at you. Hey neighbor, do you wish this upon yourself? Do you wish for me to throw a garbage can at your head? Then go on to stupidneighbor.com to get a garbage can thrown at your head to prove what you really are. I missed. I can tell that I missed. You know what? This entire chase is getting boring, so I'm just gonna get the... Ugh! Jump. Go. Now when I go around, I gotta grab the bowling ball. Pick it up! Go. Get right! I hit his head! Wait, where's the bowling ball? Where'd it go? I can't tell where it went. You know what? This chase is starting to get boring. So I'm gonna leave. Ugh. Wait, I want to see what the next death thing is. So I'm actually gonna let him get me because I want to see what the next the next death thing is. Wait, my bowling ball! Come back! There's no death thing. What? And get wrecked. Ah, stop it. What? You can't do that! You dingus! You are the epitome of stupidity. I'm gonna throw this out your window. breaking in. Oh no. You didn't jump. Are you gonna jump? Are you gonna? You jumped out of the wrong window. You really are an idiot. Wait, I never got to see what happens. I never got to see what happens if I have the lawnmower on and I throw it at his head. Oh! Looks like the neighbor just got an extreme haircut. And I am out of here. I'm stuck. Let me free! I got stuck on the fence. And then I froze, but now I'm good again. I hear the lawnmower. Oh, there he is. I still hear the lawnmower. I think the lawnmower is driving after me. I got the bowling ball. I'm gonna chuck this at his head, then I'm gonna make a slick escape. Go, 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 go. There's the lawnmower, and it's still going. Hey, neighbor, trip over the lawnmower. Neighbor? Wait, what if I chuck the bowling ball at the lawnmower? What? Am I dead? What happened? Oh, well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, goodbye!